Do you want to flag a message in Teams for follow-up? Set a reminder for later? You can't. You can create an automation to send you a reminder to reply or take action on any message in Teams. This custom reminder message also includes a button that will take me to the original message. If you want to learn how to build this automation, keep watching. In PowerAutomate, select Instant Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name so you can find it later. We're going to select for a selected message. Click Create Adaptive Card. This card will gather information about when we want to be reminded and if we want to include some reminder text. First, I'm going to delete the elements that I don't need. I'll change the text here so it's relevant to this flow. And I want to capture the date. We'll double-click to input a date field. I'll replace this text here. Double-click to insert the time input field. Each of your input fields will need to have a custom ID set as well. I'm going to set this ID to remind date. And I'll need to set this one to remind time. And lastly, we'll include an input text field. I'm going to remove this submit button, and I just need to add an ID here. Save your card. We're going to initialize a few variables at the top. Give your variable name and select string type. I'm going to insert the remind date, enter a space, and insert remind time. Next, I'm going to insert a variable to hold my notes. I'm going to search for remind notes and insert it into this variable. Next, I'm going to create a variable to hold the link to my original message. Add in link to message. I'm going to add a compose action for my card title. I'm going to add a condition to check if there are notes for the reminder. If there is a reminder note, I'll include it in my message. If not, I'll include generic content. I'm going to use the empty expression for this. Insert the notes variable into the empty expression. Search for the true expression and insert it here. If there hasn't been any text inputted into the reminders notes field, I'll set the notes variable with generic content. I'll insert the sender's display name here. If text has been entered into the reminders notes field, I'll set the variable with that text. Next, we're going to add a convert time zone action. For the base time, we're going to grab the reminder date time variable and insert it here. For the source time zone, we're going to scroll to the bottom and select dynamic content. Search for local time. For the destination time zone, we're going to search for coordinated universal time. For the format string, we're going to search for round trip. Next, we're going to add a delay until action. For the timestamp, we're going to insert the converted time from above. For the last step in our flow, we're going to post an adaptive card in a chat or channel. I'm going to post it as a flowbot, and I'm going to post it in a chat with the flowbot. For the recipient, I'm going to insert my email. Head over to the Adaptive Card Designer to design how you'd like your card to look. Link included in the description box below. Make sure you change your target version to 1.3. For my card, I'm including a title, which will be static text for all my follow-up reminders, a spot to insert who I need to reply to, a spot for where my reminder text can go, and a button that will take me to my original message. If you'd like to use the card I've designed here, I've included a link to the JSON in the description box below. I'm going to copy the code from the card payload editor, and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm just going to replace a few of these fields in the adaptive card. So my title is going to go here. The display name of the message sender that I need to follow up with goes here. And the variable for the reminder notes will go here. And the last one is going to be the URL for the original message. Okay, our flow is ready to be tested. In Teams, you can see that I've received a message letting me know that my flow is ready to be tested. I'm going to hover over a message that I want to set a reminder for. Click on the three dots, hover over More Actions, select Follow Up Teams Message, or the name you've chosen to give your flow. Here, I'm going to select the date that I'd like to be reminded, and I'm going to enter the time. Currently, it's 3:50 p.m. I'm going to set this reminder for 3:51. I'll add a short reminder note so I have a bit of context when I receive the notification. And here you can see I received a notification, and if I click on this button, it will take me to the chat and highlight the message briefly. This also works for any messages within a Teams channel. Click on the button, and it will take me to the channel and highlight the chat briefly. What other flows are you looking to build? Leave a comment down below. If you'd like to learn more about PowerAutomate with me, subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks for watching!